It's that time of year where it's time to what? Get your vision ready for 2025. Get ready for the new year. And those steps start with making a vision board, manifesting your goals, manifesting your dreams, being a little delulu, because sometimes that helps y'all. So, are you ready for the new year? So I made this beautiful desktop that will stay on for the whole year so I can see it every day or whenever I open up my laptop. But you're wondering, how did I make this? Well, I did it right here in Canva. Mostly what I did was type in what I was looking for. But before you even get here, you got to start here. And this is my Gold Digger book I've had for a long time. And we got to write it down first. What do I want my 2025 to look like? Write it down, make it plain, okay? Make it simple, make a list of what you are looking forward to and what you want your life to look like next year, okay? All right, so step one, write it down. So, what are we writing down? Huh? We are writing down what we want our life to look like. Let's start putting the steps in motion today. Step two, make it simple. Simple steps that will lead you to your goal. Because sometimes you make it too broad or make it too bold, and by the second week or even February, you're like, I can't do this. But you can, because what? You made it simple. Third step, be a little delulu. Be in your own world. Be in a world that you know what? Yes, I can do this. Yes, I can make $5,000 in a couple of months. Yes, I can do that. I can afford this new camera that I want. Yes, I can afford this new equipment that I want to buy. Yes, if we look up Delulu, it tells you right there, an internet slang term used to describe the belief that one can influence oneself, one's destiny through sheer willpower. Get the willpower. Be what? Delulu. Okay? Delusion might be your best friend, huh? You have the willpower to do it. You just need to influence yourself to do it, because you can do it. Step four, words mean things. That means when you spit it out your mouth, when you write it down, when you even think it, words have power. When you speak negatively about yourself, granted, I've done it too, and I keep thinking in this negative way, negative things happen to me. But if I'm in a world of abundance, if I'm in a world of delulu, if I'm in a world of positivity and I speak it to myself, positive things will happen. Words are very powerful because sometimes you never know what might happen when you speak those things into the universe. So words mean things. Keep that in mind every time you speak, every time you think, every time you write something down. It means something. And the last and final one, which this took me a minute to figure out, but believe in yourself. Believe that you can do this. Believe that this is your year. Don't doubt yourself. Don't hold yourself back. Don't self-sabotage. Child, I do it all the time. But I want to stop because what? It only hinders me to not do what I'm supposed to do because I'm scared. And when you're scared, what? You need to do it. Do it scared. Just believe in your dreams. If this is your dream, believe in it. This is your sign or not. But you have to believe in yourself. You got to believe in what you're trying to achieve. You have to believe it will happen for it to happen. Dream big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. That's it. That is it. Believe that everything will work out because it will. Huh? Okay? A negative mind will never give you a positive life. Let me say that again for the people in the back. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. Focus on what's important. Focus on the positive. Focus, huh? Let's build our wealth. Let's journey through this 2025 with positivity and abundance and growth. Okay? So, those are my tips. I hope this helps you. I hope you are able to make 2025 better than 2024 was. Now, if you need a little help in getting your vision board started, I say try Canva, type in vision board desktop or just vision boards in general, and it will give you so many options for vision boards. And all you have to do is go in and customize it to you. But if you don't have Canva, you can also use Adobe Express. So I have Adobe Express as well. Same thing for this. Put in vision board template, and you have templates that you can use on here. And all you have to do is go in and customize it. So you have no excuse of doing a vision board. Look, 12,000 results for vision board templates. Let's get it together. All right. All right. If this helped you, share with others, like and subscribe for more. If you want a more detailed video, let me know. But yeah, happy vision boarding.